Hello friends, how are you? I hope everybody, as my viewers, would be fine, and I think you will get to know something or one thing or the other you may definitely get from this video. What I am discussing today is what I did and what did our mentors told us how to perform in the internal examination. And basically MBBS course pattern is we get short essays, long essays and short answers, and also MCQs. So long essay questions are for 10 markers, short essays for 5 markers, short answers are 3 marks each, and MCQ 1 mark each. So these were the questions, and in every question there is a part wise mark distribution. Specifically for 3 markers or for any general answer, while writing an examination we have to insist on some ways which makes our point clear, that is flowcharts, diagrams, tables, loose writing. Instead of paragraphs we should always tend to explain anything in points, and that's what was desired here. The name the lead systems employed in recording ECG. So limb lead system, basically first what you will do, you will mention that unipolar lead system and bipolar lead system are employed. Unipolar lead system is of two types, like limb lead system and chest lead system. 3 are limb leads, 6 are chest leads. You have to know their position, their polarity, and which type of wave they record. So bipolar limb lead system, you will explain like it is placed upon two arms and left leg. Then you will have to explain which leads actually measure the ECG. It is the lead 2. You have to explain the Einstein's triangle, equilateral triangle with heart at the center. Equilateral triangle is imaginary and the vertices represent the 3 leads. And before you start writing this answer and you go for ECG, you explain what is an ECG, and then you draw a well labeled diagram. You label all the 5 waves P, Q, R, S, T. QRS forms the QRS complex, QRS waves form the QRS complex, T wave. Clinically significant U wave, if it comes, mention the clinical significance of all the waves. Then you mention the interval segments, 3 intervals and 1 segment. Intervals are PQ, QT, RR interval. Then you have to mention ST segments. You mention which onset and whose end of the wave these are, means you have to give the definition. You have to give duration, amplitude, what else, morphology, clinical significance. Then your ECG is complete. Then you explain the lead system. This is all for the first question, and in the coming videos I'll be going through the rest of the questions. So you may go through the paper once and I'll be discussing it gradually, and I'll also write and explain how to write, what to write. Right, thanks.